Oh, you're on this side. Oh, yeah, you're on this side. Court is calling 2023 CR 4230, State of Texas versus Darian De La Rosa. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Gail
Defense,
Caldwell is here for Darian De La Rosa.
are you De La Rosa?
Yes.
All right, counsel, you received all the discovery. Did you review it with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. De La Rosa, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you the true bill of indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
I do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Judge.
Showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments and Defendants Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Did you understand you're charged with the offense of robbery? That's a second-degree felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 2 to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
This is the moment most people don't fully grasp. A second-degree felony means 2 to 20 years. That's not symbolic. That's real prison time. And when she says yes, she's waiving a jury trial. Would you risk trial or take the deal?
Court can find you guilty and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to a $10,000 fine.
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I believe so.
Ms. De La Rosa, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea? Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea? Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial, showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? According to the plea, there's to be a $500 fine. State recommends deferred adjudication. They will take in consideration 696,426, 696428, and there's to be a drug court evaluation. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
Yes, Judge.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places? Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that cannot be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Deferred adjudication sounds like a win, but it's conditional freedom. One violation, and the judge can hit the full 20 years. Drug court isn't just rehab. It's structure, monitoring, accountability. The question is, will she comply?
Does not have to follow those recommendations. Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest? State any evidence?
State offer states exhibit 1 in all attachments.
Thank you. You may be excused.
No objections.
Showing you what's entitled wavering consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places? Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that today the state would be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Probation. On this case, I'm going to want just a TAP evaluation and a referral to felony drug court.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ferguson, what date can we come back? Yes, it's just going to be a TAP evaluation and a referral to felony drug court.
Will my client have to remain in custody? Will she has to remain in custody until she gets
Yes.
the time?
They're going to come back on July 7th.
That's
That line right there, be honest, that's not casual advice. Drug courts test you. Lie once, and credibility is gone. This program can save her future or fast-track her back to sentencing. What do you think happens next?
All right. Is there anything else?
No.
All right. Thank you.
Do we have a date? Do we have to come back here?
Yes, July 17th.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome.
I think I hit something on my pocket. Sorry, Judge.
Okay. All right. So what's happening?
We conferred, Your Honor, and we're gonna have Mr. Jimenez. I'm gonna reach out to him and we're gonna be okay.
All right,
So we're
Miss.
gonna keep him on.
All right, Miss Ferguson, can you give me a month reset, please? And if your attorney wants to come back sooner than that, just let the court know. We'll put it on the docket sooner than that. Okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sorry about earlier.
Hmm?
Sorry about earlier.
Oh, no, there's no need to apologize. All
Did fine.
Public court order.
right, you're on that side. And where are you?
So where we're at, Judge, is I was conferring with Daniel. We have a motion to revoke. We also have a new charge. We're trying to resolve both of them at the same time.
Mhm.
He wants to reach out and talk to the victim in the other case. So that we can try to wrap up both of these. So we're asking the court if we can reset the case to July 13th. And we believe that we'll have an answer by then, and then we can proceed. We should be able to proceed and wrap up both. We're trying to wrap up both now.
All right, Miss Ferguson, are we able to put this on July 13th?
Yes,
All right, if you give them a reset form.
thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. On this case, July 13th, Penn Mintel, can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell for the state.
Charles Gold for Mr. Pimentel.
And are you Mr. Penn Mintel?
Yes.
I'm sorry, are you Parker Penn Mintel?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any objections to the defendant appearing by video state
No.
defense?
No, ma'am.
All right, the defense has filed a motion to ask that the defendant be allowed to have no harmful or injurious contact with the complainant in this case. Is there any objection from the state?
Your Honor, we're in agreement with that.
All right, and are you the complainant?
Yes. The judge is asking you that question.
Yes,
All right, can you raise your right hand for me,
Sure.
please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
I do, Judge.
All right, you can lower your hand. Can you state your name for the record?
Daniel Lewis Pimentel.
All right, what's your relationship to Parker Pimentel?
He's my son.
Now this changes the emotional weight completely. The alleged victim is his father, and he wants contact lifted. In court, fear matters. If the complainant isn't afraid, the judge has flexibility. But is this reconciliation or risk?
Which side?
Well, that's what we'll start with. We'll see how things go. If
Okay.
things go okay, there's a chance that that can change. But for now, he can have contact with you. Off the record, your defense counsel told me that you live alone, so you
Yes.
need help with certain things.
He's my caregiver.
All right. So he will be allowed to have contact with you, but he can't spend the night or anything of that nature. You understand?
Okay,
All right. Is there anything else?
I think that's it, Judge.
that's it.
All right. Thank you so much for coming down.
Thank you, ma'am. Judge, I appreciate it.
All right. Thank you. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you.
All right.
Thanks.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Oh, you're on here,
this side.
Ms. Carrillo. Yes.
Okay.
Thanks. All right. So
Your Honor,
have you received all the discovery?
yes, Your Honor, I would like to ask court, my client wants to ask the court to get another reset because he wishes to hire his own attorney.
Okay. All right. Before we get to that point, have you received all the discovery?
Yes,
Was an offer tendered?
no, not yet, Your Honor. We haven't gotten that.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson. Can I have a 30-day reset on Mr. Ramirez Rodriguez?
Okay,
All right, we're going to come back on August 7th. That will give you time to hire an attorney. You need to have them here by August 7th. State, on that day, you need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, Judge.
All right, is there any other questions?
no, Your Honor.
All right, and Ms. Carrillo, we'll see you then back on August 7th unless he has another attorney.
Yes, Your Honor, thank you.
Thank you. Do you have any questions?
No.
All right, thank you. Hi, it's always great seeing you. That's a beautiful outfit. I'm loving the colors.
Where my client allegedly was talking to the officer those statements are incredibly important. Everyone needs to see those.
Okay,
But I think I do at this point, Judge.
all right. Ms. Ferguson, can I have a 30-day reset on Eduardo Ramon? All right, Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset form, then you're excused.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you. Good seeing you.
I'll be here tomorrow.
Oh, hey. I don't see you. There's a Manny Rodriguez drought, then all of a sudden you're here.
For the moment, I think I'm the only Manny Rodriguez in Bear County.
Oh, hey. All right. And could you let your client was late today?
Yes, I'm talking about that.
Okay.
Sorry. Did you go downstairs first? You said you were just in the wrong place. We'll clear that up.
All right.
You can go ahead and wait. We're gonna fill out a form. So don't wait.
All right. Is Hung Nguyen here?
Your Honor, Mr. Nguyen did not show up.
Okay.
I'll, would it be acceptable?
But no, here's my Con Air moment, because people are like, what's the Con Air moment? What happened? So I'm leaving for my flight to come back to San Antonio, and I'm standing in line with my bags, trying to do my check bags. And there is 3 guys in line in front of me. And so the first guy goes up to the counter, and there are 2 people behind him. So then they call for the next person. And I'm like, they're skipping over these other 2 guys. And they didn't seem like they were together. So I said, excuse me, sir, are you next? Oh, no, we're fine. Then I take a look at the guy in the center. The guy in the center is wearing the equivalent of jailhouse flip-flops with socks, shorts that are below his knee, and a jacket, who looked as though he was hustled to be there. And in my mind, I'm like, this is Con Air. This is Con Air. So then,
And this is why long docket days matter. Judges see everything. From serious felonies to airport prisoner transfers. But notice something, even in humor, the courtroom never loses control. Personality doesn't replace authority.
Con Air moment. So I called my mom and I said, Mom, I'm texting my brother with my mom in it. And I said, we're about to do Con Air, right? And my mom doesn't know how to do text, so she doesn't read it. But my brother said, we won't tell Mom, but does anybody have a bunny rabbit?
Drop the bunnies.
So of course, they went with me to Houston, but then he got off. So there we go.
Nothing bad happened.
Nothing bad happened. Well, at least not on my flight.
Oh, you're right. Exactly.
All right. You ready on Bob Behrens? And then I'm going to take up your matter. I understand what's going on.
I gotta get my wife to there.
Yes. No, go get your wife to the airport and I'll give her a reset. But I'm before I let her go, I'm going to call felony drug courts. They'll probably be able to do an oral.
Okay,
All right.
just tell her to get back tomorrow morning.
Yes.
Oh, tell her to stay. Okay, I'll see you. Thank you.
All right. So yes.
Yes, Judge, I conferred with Mr. Behrens and he should be back on the Zoom now. Judge.
Bob Behrens
Yes,
and Mr. Ramirez, come forward. All right. So where are we on this case? Mr. Behrens, did you receive all the discovery?
Judge, I'm not certain. This was a case that was filed at large. I think it comes from a misdemeanor case that I have with Mr. Ramirez. And neither Mr. Wilkins or I are actually familiar with the case itself yet. So we were hoping to get a reset so we could do the discovery.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, can you recall this in 45 days for discovery?
Date that would be?
I'm just waiting for the date.
Okay.
All right.
I
It's
think
going
we're
to
gonna
come
be
back
out.
on August 24th.
Okay.
And just like that, multiple lives, multiple futures, decided in under 15 minutes of court time. Plea deals, resets, second chances, and looming consequences. If you were in that courtroom, which decision would you regret most?